Laser welding. Marshall Manufacturing offers medical assembly processes which include laser welding. This two-piece assembly illustrates the weld of the lure, or hub, to the cannula, or inner tube. The XY table delivers each part directly beneath the laser in a circular pattern, with each laser pulse generating a circular shaped weld. Within the laser welding process, the laser head is mounted directly above the workpiece assemblies. In this case, the fixture is holding 26 assemblies. In the center of each lure is a press-fit cannula that will be welded. Because laser welding generates less heat than other conventional welding procedures, there is little to no distortion to the assembly, meaning greater accuracy and higher quality outcomes often required for medical applications. To prevent rapid oxidation caused by the oxygen within the air, the welding process is performed in the presence of a shield gas to avoid carbon buildup and maintaining the original finish. In this case, the cover gas is delivered to the welding area through a nozzle. Let Marshall assist you with your component manufacturing and welding needs.